Many users will predefine the type of data that they're going to put in that particular variable type, and this is called declaring your variables. And it's a very popular issue, and it's considered standard procedure. You'll find that I will do it sometimes, and I will not do it sometimes. So you may digitally slap my hand all you want, but here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you the different types. This is a support.microsoft.com article that is specifically about the variable types, and so we're going to talk a little bit about them, and then we'll show you some examples of those. Declaring your variables can save a little bit of a system memory. So let's dive right in. There are different types. Let me scroll down. Here we go. So there are different types. If you declare something as Boolean, that means that it's always going to only be either true or to be false. If it's an integer, it's going to be a number, but it's going to be a whole number, so it can't have a decimal place. So only if you want whole numbers, if you want, 2.5 to round up to basically be 3, you want to use an integer. Long and double. Well, a double is just a bigger number that can have decimal places. So oftentimes if you're using a number and you want it to be an exact number, not a whole number, you'll use double. If you want it to be a super freaking huge number, as you can see here, this is from -2 billion all the way to +2 billion. So if it's a big number, you would declare it as long, but typically you just do a number as a double. And then there's currency, and I don't really use currency. I don't really know, but some people may use that, so you might want to look into that if you're interested. Looks like it's a pretty large range of numbers. So then there's the date. The date obviously just contains a date. It uses 8 bytes of memory, so we're going consecutively up. Anyway, it goes anywhere from January 1st, from the year 100 AD, all the way to December 31st, the year 9999. I don't think we'll be using this program at that time. And then finally there's a string, and it uses 10 plus bytes of memory, depending on the string length. And that can be any string of text, which we've talked about. So in just a second, we're going to show you some examples of that.